come to the Peppermill. Russ sent you. Good morning.
Good morning. Two. Two swell guys. Don't fight over us.
It'll be right this way.
All right.
Going today?
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So they put us in a nice little cozy booth. That's our booth. And we're gonna dig into this menu. And some big cups of coffee. So I got an omelet last time and it was huge.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I don't think we could finish them.
All right, so then you also could come here for dinner. Appetizers, shrimp cocktail, $20. So as you can see, it's not inexpensive, but quite an extensive menu. Steaks. That's fine. Did he bring me the milk? Always bring it down. You got it now.
Okay, home milk?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, and silverware.
Silverware's coming.
Yeah,
It's
okay,
coming.
All right, yeah.
You just relax, buddy.
The eggs Benedict.
Yep.
Thank you.
Main bacon.
All right. Thank you. And a peppermill at the Peppermill. So it's a blueberry muffin. I got Canadian bacon, hash browns, and 3 eggs over easy. Bob got eggs Benedict. So this is very good. Hash browns, the ham, the Canadian bacon. Now we're going to try the muffin. It's a hot muffin. And I got some whipped butter. Oh, the muffin's good. Fireside Lounge. Fireside Lounge was used in the movie Casino at the Peppermill. It was a famous scene with Robert De Niro and Sharon Stone. This is the front of the Peppermill. So the Peppermill in its day was right in the midst of everything that was going on. We have Circus over there, Stratosphere right up the street, and way back then this was the happening spot on the strip. It wasn't, I don't know when it happened, probably in the 80s or 90s where the strip kind of moved up, but this is where it all was happening, was right down here. So all the classics, Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin, and all them would be hanging around in these areas. But now, I think this might be under a revival with the fact that they built Resort World right there. And of course, the convention center is right behind me. So, and it looks like some other new buildings going up here and there. I have a feeling that they're going to extend the strip, really, in a way, all the way down here, back to the Peppermill.